Welcome to the Sell Smarter podcast. Every week, we give you 5 big insights and strategies so you can sell smarter. Sell Smarter is brought to you every week by the sales and marketing research experts at salesfuel.com. Be prepared to be brilliant with Sales Fuel. In this week's show, we're diving into the world of sales and marketing with a splash of wit and wisdom. First up, we're exploring how tiny sales micro-habits can make a massive impact. Then, we'll uncover the secrets top sellers use to tap into emotional purchase motivators and score big wins. For all you marketers out there, we're crafting the ultimate email marketing customer journey to boost your revenue. Plus, we're recapping our chat with the fabulous Brynne Tillman on mastering social selling. Trust me, you don't want to miss her insights. And finally, for all the team leaders and execs, we're tackling the tricky issue of bad hires and how to turn that around. So grab your headphones and let's get started. Here's this week's first strategy, the magic of sales micro-habits. These tiny daily actions can transform your work life without the overwhelm. First up, proactively review your pipeline. Did you know that the top 10% of sales pros spend 40% more time strategizing their pipeline compared to their peers? That's according to Chandrani data. So, set aside time each day to check in on your deals and prioritize like a pro. Next, commit to learning. Sales Fuel research shows only 20% of sales professionals read at least 2 sales books last year. Yikes! Even a few minutes of learning daily can keep you sharp and competitive. Whether it's a quick article or a podcast on your commute, make learning a habit. Lastly, don't underestimate the power of networking. Engage with others regularly, even if it's just a LinkedIn post or a quick email. Building relationships before you need them can open doors to future opportunities. Remember, small steps lead to big success. Embrace these micro habits and watch your sales game soar. Read more about this on our blog at salesfuel.com/blog. Next up, let's discuss the emotional roller coaster that is buyer motivation. Yep, we're talking about how emotions are the secret sauce behind every purchase decision. First off, emotions like fear and excitement are major players. Fear of missing out or losing something valuable can push buyers to act ASAP. So if you're selling, highlight what your product saves them from, like financial loss or missed opportunities. Now, let's talk excitement. Who doesn't love a little thrill? If you can pitch your product in a way that sparks enthusiasm, you're more likely to seal the deal. Think about how your solution can lead buyers to new adventures or free up their time for exciting challenges. And don't forget about the ego. In B2B sales, decision makers often have a personal stake in the game. They want to look smart and successful. Frame your solution to help them shine and you'll have a winning pitch. Remember, selling isn't just about the product. It's about connecting emotionally and offering solutions that truly resonate. Download the free Sales Fuel mobile app today to get new sales tips and customer insights like this every day.
In B2B sales, credibility is everything. 71% of buyers research you online before even engaging. What does your digital presence say about you? With Sales Cred, you get the digital cred check to assess and improve your online image, AI-powered insights to stay top of mind with prospects, and real-time business intelligence to prep for meetings in seconds. Build trust, win more deals. Get a demo and 2 free profiles at salescred.com today. That's salescred.com.
If you're into marketing, let's talk about email marketing and how you can make it work wonders for you. First up, personalization is key. According to Litmus, 25% of marketers are keen on improving their benchmark metrics. So, why not spice things up with personalized content? Think dynamic content and personalized subject lines. Your audience will appreciate the tailored touch, and you'll likely see those open and click-through rates soar. Next, let's talk interactivity. Sure, sending out sales and discount emails is great, but have you considered adding interactive elements? Litmus found that 35% of marketers are already using interactive buttons, and 13% are incorporating surveys, quizzes, and polls. These elements not only engage your audience, but also provide valuable insights into their preferences. Lastly, Don't underestimate the power of segmentation. With 26% of marketers finding interest-based segmentation highly effective, it's time to get specific. Use first-party data to tailor your emails to different customer segments and watch your engagement rates climb. Remember, a well-crafted email marketing journey can lead to amazing results. Keep it personal, interactive, and segmented, and you'll be on your way to email marketing success. Want more marketing research and insights about your target customer? Check out admall.com. It's the #1 business intelligence tool for media agencies in the US. The next strategy comes from our Manage Smarter podcast with hosts Audrey Strong and C. Lee Smith. In this episode, they discuss social selling with Bryn Tillman, the self-proclaimed LinkedIn whisperer. Bryn shares some juicy insights on how to transform your LinkedIn profile from a boring resume into a dynamic resource. She emphasizes that your profile should act like a landing page, engaging visitors and offering them valuable insights. Think of it as a way to teach prospects something new, rather than just listing your achievements. Another takeaway? Bryn talks about the power of AI in content creation. She suggests using tools like ChatGPT to generate content, but with a twist. Make sure it reflects your authentic voice. She advises recording your thoughts and using them as a base for AI-generated content, ensuring it remains true to you. Lastly, Bryn introduces a nifty tool called Magical, a Chrome extension that helps streamline your content creation process with customizable templates. It's a game changer for sales teams looking to up their social selling game. Remember, your LinkedIn profile is your digital handshake. Make it count. Hear more at managesmarter.com or wherever you get your podcasts.
You need sales to make your business grow, but how can you do that if you hire a bad salesperson? Get to know TeamTrait.com. TeamTrait is a behavioral assessment tool that helps you hire top-performing sales talent. It reveals over 150 professional mindset traits like resilience, problem-solving skills, and customer empathy. Our Forfeit Simulator can help predict who will thrive in your unique sales environment, whether it's healthcare, logistics, or financial services. Stop guessing and start winning. Ask your HR or hiring manager to visit TeamTrait.com today for a demo and 2 free profiles.
Our final strategy is for all the future leaders, sales managers, and top executives. Let's dive into how to avoid those dreaded bad hires. First up, it's not just about skills. According to Leadership IQ, a whopping 89% of new hire failures are due to mindset issues, not a lack of skills. So when you're hiring, think beyond the resume and focus on coachability. Now here's a fun tool for your hiring toolkit: psychometric assessments. These nifty tests can help you spot key work traits before you even sit down for an interview. Imagine weeding out unsuitable candidates early on and having a clear picture of a candidate's strengths and weaknesses. It's like having a crystal ball for hiring. And when you're in the interview, don't just stick to your usual questions. Dig deeper. Ask about how candidates handle tough feedback or adapt to major job changes. Their answers will give you a peek into their willingness to learn and grow. Remember, hiring isn't just about filling a seat. It's about finding someone who will thrive and contribute positively to your team. You've got the tools. Now go out there and find your next superstar. That's it for this episode of the Sell Smarter podcast from Sales Fuel. Listen next week for 5 more insights and strategies for sales leaders. Sell Smarter is produced by Tyler Welsh and edited by Kathy Crosett. The show is written by C. Lee Smith, Jessica Holinsky, Rachel Cagle, Darby Dahl, and Tim Londergan. And I'm your host, Allison Gray. Sales Fuel and Sell Smarter are registered trademarks of Sales Fuel Incorporated. Copyright 2025, all rights reserved.